Welcome to the virtual tour of Lake Pontchartrain. We begin our tour at the Bonneville boat launch. Lake Pontchartrain was named for the Count de Pontchartrain, who served as Minister of Finance during the reign of France's son King, Louis XIV, for whom the state of Louisiana is named after. Lake Pontchartrain was formed 5,000 years ago, and covers 630 square miles. The lake is 40 miles from east to west and 24 miles from north to south. It is a very shallow body of water, with an average depth of 12 feet or 3.7 meters. Lake Pontchartrain contains brackish water, a mixture of saltwater from the Gulf and fresh water from rain and the nearby rivers. Which means you can fish saltwater and freshwater fish on the same dock or pier. You can find a wide range of marine life including shrimp, crabs, clams, alligators, sharks, dolphins, and even manatees in its waters. Ahead is a pumping station. Most of New Orleans is below sea level and uses a complex system of pumping stations, levees, and floodgates to keep water out, with varying degrees of success and failure. Our next stop is the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway. At 24 miles or 39 kilometers, the causeway is the longest continuous bridge over a body of water in the world. The bridge's parallel spans are made of pre-stressed panels supported by over 9,000 concrete pilings. The causeway sees 43,000 vehicles per day, and more than 15 million vehicles per year. Bridge police write about 1,000 citations per month on the causeway, with all of the revenue going to the local St. Tammany and Jefferson parishes. Annually, the causeway sees more than 2,000 vehicle breakdowns and over 150 accidents. Our next stop is the lakefront, which is a very popular area for locals. It encompasses a diverse mix of recreational spaces, residential neighborhoods, and commercial developments, offering stunning waterfront views and a sense of tranquility in contrast to the bustling city. And is great for exercising, relaxing, fishing, and eating crawfish. Ahead is the Southern Yacht Club. Established on July 21, 1849, it is the fifth oldest yacht club in the United States. Over the years, Southern Yacht Club sailors have won 4 Olympic medals and numerous national and international championships. And our last stop is the Canal Lighthouse. The original lighthouse was established in 1839. And since then the structure has been replaced numerous times. Most notably during the 2005 hurricane season, where the lighthouse was heavily damaged by Hurricanes Katrina and Rita. The first floor had collapsed and its cupola had fallen off. Reconstruction of the lighthouse began in February 2012 and was completed in 2013. It now operates as the new Canal Lighthouse Museum and Education Center by the Lake Pontchartrain Basin Foundation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, please like, comment, and subscribe.